With the market now exceeding $1 billion in annual sales, it's clear that digital frames are becoming a staple in how we share and display our cherished moments. Welcome to Tech Insight with it. In this video, we're diving into the world of digital picture frames. So, stay tuned as we answer all your burning questions about digital picture frames and help you decide if this innovative display is right for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the different types of digital picture frames available. They come in various sizes, from compact 7-inch screens to larger 15-inch models. The resolution is also important. Higher resolutions provide sharper images but at a higher cost. For example, a 1080p resolution on a 10-inch screen offers stunning clarity for family photos. Connectivity options play a crucial role in how you share photos. Here's a quick rundown. Wi-Fi, easy sharing from anywhere but needs a stable internet connection. Cloud, access photos remotely, though it may have subscription fees. USB, simple plug and play but limited to stored files. SD card, easy photo transfer but requires physical access to the frame. Many digital frames come with extra features like touchscreen controls, built-in speakers, and motion sensors, making them user-friendly and versatile. Now, let's talk about the cost. Prices can vary widely. Basic models start around $50, while high-end options can exceed $300. Factors influencing the price include screen size, resolution, additional features, and brand reputation. If you are getting value from this video, support my little channel by subscribing, give the video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell for more and share your thoughts in the comments. In case you need any of these frames for your loved ones, my Amazon associate links are in the description below. Let's continue. Choosing the right digital picture frame depends on your needs and budget. Consider your requirements, such as the number of photos, remote sharing capabilities, and preferred frame size. Look for a frame with at least 1080p resolution and user-friendly features. Setting up your frame is simple. Power on your frame. Navigate to Settings. Select Wi-Fi and connect to your network. Link to cloud services like Google Photos or Dropbox. To import photos, use the app, USB, or SD card. Organize your images in folders for easy navigation. Common issues include connectivity problems, image display issues, and software glitches. Ensure your frame is within Wi-Fi range, check supported file formats, and keep your software updated to resolve these issues. Maintenance is key to keeping your frame in top shape. Clean the screen with a microfiber cloth and avoid household cleaners. Regular software updates are also crucial for security and new features. Digital picture frames offer a modern way to display and treasure memories. Consider screen size, connectivity, and user experience when selecting a frame. Start your journey today by researching models that fit your needs. Your memories deserve a beautiful display. That's it for today. Subscribe for more if this piece of information really helped you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Compliments of the